Hello everyone, I am Hatice Zeynep Geçgil from Chemistry Department, and today I will conduct an experiment for my Physics 101 Lab Project. This experiment examines the relationship between the angle of an inclined plane and the object's acceleration. The purpose of this experiment is to find the friction coefficient between the surfaces and to calculate the object's acceleration.
Firstly, an object will be slid down from two inclined planes having different angles. These angles will be adjusted by using a protractor, and a wooden surface will be used as the inclined plane. To make the measurements more precise, the object will be slid 3 times for each angle. Measuring the time, the acceleration of the object will be calculated. In the second part of the experiment, using the data obtained in the first part, the friction coefficient mu will be found by using Newton's second law. As a result, we will be able to compare the acceleration on different angled surfaces. The needed equipment for this experiment are a cubic object, a ruler, a wooden surface, a chronometer, and a protractor. As the first step, I adjusted the angle between the wood and the ground as 30 degrees. I slided the object from the top without an initial velocity. I measured the time elapsed until the object reaches the bottom of the plane. Then I repeated these 3 times to obtain more precise results. This time, I adjusted the angle as 60 degrees and I repeated the same steps. I measured the length of the wood to find the acceleration for each measurement by using the equation x equals to at squared over 2. Now we can use Newton's second law, F equals to ma, to find the friction coefficient. By the third equation derived, we see that the acceleration depends on the angle, as long as the friction coefficient is constant. At the end of the experiment, we can conclude that as the angle increases, the acceleration increases also. Furthermore, the increase of the angle leads to a decrease in the frictional force.